Hello students, today we will discuss about the rating scale. In the last video I have explained about the checklist. So checklist, rating, these all are similar. Okay, this is for the evaluation of student or evaluation of a person. So now starting with the definition. Rating scale, it is a device by which judgment may be qualified or an option concerning a trait can be analyzed. Rating scale is a tool in which the one person simply checks off another person level of performance. I think this was the one that everyone has experience. Whenever you are ordering something from some website, so they'll ask you to give a ratings of the product, ratings of the delivery, ratings of the like this how the website or the app. So you'll give out of 5, maybe 4 star, 3 star, 2 star. So that is called a rating scale. Okay, same thing for like if you are using cab, for that also they may ask you to give the ratings based on your experience, how you feel according to you it is good or bad, how much you want to give out of 5 star. That is called as rating scale. So there are four types of rating scale. One is numerical, one is graphic, one is descriptive, one is percentage. So I will explain one by one. First one is numerical. By name itself we can understand numerical means number one. It's like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So numerical scale are the easiest to construct and apply to the object, person and events. Okay, in numerical scale, the observer or the rater is supplied with a sequence of number which is well defined, and his task is to rate the object on the given sequence of the number on the basis of his impression. So I'll just tell you the example. You can see here numerical anchor. Okay, you can 1 to 9 I have given. So extremely disagree, if you give 1 means you are not agree with my statement. Strongly disagree, moderately disagree, hardly disagree, or you are disagree at all. Then mildly agree, moderately agree, or strongly agree, or extremely agree. So based which where you are giving your mark, like if you are telling that I am giving 7 score, it means you are moderately agree with my opinion. Okay, so this is called numerical scale. So you can see here also this is pain scale. Actually we will be using for the patient. So if you show the patient and you can say out of like 10 how much pain you are feeling, if you just, because pain it is something like this that only the person can know how much the person is feeling, we can't find out, but through the help of pain scale at least we get approximately can get the idea. So if you ask the person out of 10 how much pain you are getting, and by seeing the expression of the face you can identify, okay, if you got the green color means smiling face, it means 0 to 1, it is not that much but little pain is there, tolerable. Okay, so like this you can find out. Next we have graphic scale. In this scale the performance is printed horizontally at various points from the lowest to the highest. And descriptive rating scale, it does not use number but divide the assessment into a series of verbal phrases to indicate the level of performance. Example: how satisfied were you with the service you have received? Very dissatisfied, dissatisfied, neutral, satisfied, very satisfied. In the numerical we have seen the number, but here they are not going to use the number, that's all, but there will be some statement. Next one is percentage. So it is also the easiest one. Percentage ratings is done whenever the investigator want to quick rating with the maximum uniformity from rater to rater. The technique requires the rater to place the rate among the different specified percentage group or into the different percentile or quarters such given below. Example: range of score. Like for nowadays in school they are not using the percentage, they are saying the grade mark. See, if the student got between 80 to 100%, they are A grade. If they got 70 to 79, they are comes under B grade. If they got 60 to 69, they are coming under C grade. Okay, so this is about the percentage rating. The next one is descriptive rating scale. It does not use number but divide the assessment into series of verbal phrases to indicate the level of performance. Now I'll tell you the uses of rating scale. To evaluate the skill, product outcome, activities, interest, attitude, personal and characteristics. And what is the advantage? It is easy to administer and score, wide range of application, and graphic rating scale is easier to make and less time consuming, easily used for the large group, also used for the quantitative method. It may also be used for the assessment of interest, attitude and many personal characteristics, used to evaluate the performance and skill, and rating scale are adaptable and flexible research instruments. Next you will see disadvantage. It is difficult to fix up rating about many aspects of an individual. So everything we can't give a ratings. Yes. And next one is misuse can be result in decrease in objectivity. So suppose if you have like any enemy, anything personally, people can misuse of it. Yes. There are chances of subjective evaluation. Those the scale may be become unscientific and unreliable. So with this we have finished rating scale. In this definition, introduction, types and what is the purpose of using it, advantage and disadvantage. Thank you. If you have any doubts you can ask.